In today's professional world, strong communication skills distinguish individuals. This session will guide you through enhancing your vocabulary. Many people find their words don't have the impact they desire. Understanding the art of expression is vital for success. Effective communication involves not just knowledge, but also how you articulate your ideas and connect with others. Elevating your vocabulary can transform your professional presence, moving from basic words to powerful terminologies that capture attention. In this session, you will learn effective techniques to enhance your communication, making every word count. By honing these skills, you can become more persuasive and confident, ensuring your messages resonate with your audience. As we begin today, let's acknowledge that many of us fall back on familiar words. Words like good, bad, and think feel safe, but limit our expression. Imagine speaking with precision and clarity. This is our goal today. Let's explore synonyms that enhance our vocabulary and ideas. Instead of saying good, try excellent or outstanding. In place of bad, consider subpar or unsatisfactory. For think, substitute with contemplate or consider. These alternatives not only sound more professional, but resonate better. Let's practice using these words in context with examples. First example, this project is good can become this project is outstanding. Each adjustment boosts confidence and professionalism. Together, we can transform simple words into powerful expressions. As the discussion progresses, we begin by identifying common phrases that can be enhanced. One participant raises their hand, eager to share an example. They suggest the phrase very good and propose alternatives like exceptional. The group nods in agreement, appreciating the new perspective on a simple word. Another participant shares their thoughts, swapping I think for I am confident that. This shift sparks a lively discussion about the impact of assertive language. Someone mentions how this change instills confidence in their opinions. They replace hard with challenging, showcasing a problem-solving mindset. The conversation flows towards real-life applications of these expressions. Another participant shares how they applied these terms during a job interview. They explain the positive responses they received from the interviewers. The group discusses how precise language creates strong first impressions. Inspiration builds as someone suggests practicing these phrases in pairs. Each pair begins to share their experiences using enhanced vocabulary. One student recalls feedback they received after using assertive phrases. The feedback had highlighted their clarity and professionalism. As the activity continues, laughter fills the room, easing anxiety. They realize that practice makes assertive language more natural. The instructor observes the engagement, heartened by the transformation. The atmosphere brims with a shared sense of accomplishment and growth. As the session wraps up, the instructor encourages them to continue evolving. The students are left motivated, ready to apply what they've learned. They understand that enhanced vocabulary is a valuable lifelong skill. Together, they have embraced a journey towards expressive communication. As the session deepens, participants reflect on the power of their new vocabulary. Words become tools for impact. One participant shares a breakthrough moment, explaining how a single word change shifted perceptions. They break into smaller groups, practicing their new vocabulary in various scenarios, role-playing professional conversations. The atmosphere shifts as participants realize the real-world applications of their enhanced language. With a sense of urgency, the facilitator encourages them to harness these skills for upcoming presentations. Confidence builds as they share personal stakes in communicating effectively, feeling a shared purpose. They move to practice influential pitches, fine-tuning their word choices under the watchful eye of peers. As feedback circulates, constructive criticism blends with encouragement, fostering a supportive environment. The moment of truth arrives as participants prepare for a mock panel, showcasing their growth. Each participant presents, articulating their ideas with newfound confidence and vocabulary. Post-presentation, They discuss what worked well, celebrating their collective progress and journey. As the session concludes, they reflect on their journey, now equipped to command attention in discussions. As they finish reflecting, the group realizes their potential to inspire others. Excitement fills the room as they brainstorm ways to apply their skills. One participant suggests hosting a community workshop. The idea resonates, leading to discussions on topics and audience engagement. They divide tasks, each person taking on a role that plays to their strengths. It starts to feel like a project driven by passion. As plans solidify, they begin practicing their presentations again, refining their words and techniques with newfound confidence. They discuss feedback mechanisms for their workshop, striving for improvement and open dialogue among participants. Ultimately, they embrace the challenge ahead, eager to share their knowledge and continue their personal growth journeys together.